All right, guys, here it is, the final walkthrough on this amazing landscape transformation where we brought in 250 square feet of this custom paver patio installation, an interlocking paver. This is a Tremron 3-piece Sierra blend Stonehurst paver, and what it did is it gave this customer an opportunity to utilize the space that they wasn't able to do so because it wasn't getting a lot of sunlight, and they also had a lot of water coming from their neighbor's yard. So if you're in that same position, we're right here in the Bentwater 7 Hills area located in Paulding County, and we service all those areas in between. It says that you can definitely give us a call and we'll be able to come out, help you understand your landscape problem, but more importantly, help you come up with a solution that's going to give you back your landscape, similar to how we did for this customer. Now, in addition to that, after having initially over a year and a half ago put in this beautiful Rubik stone along with the decorative gravel throughout the entire home, we came back again and we provided them with this beautiful custom design on their 10 by 10 landscape. And what it did is it gave them 100 square feet of outdoor living space that they never had before. This used to be grass. It wasn't able to grow grass. It did have a little bit more of erosion happening. So we brought in our beautiful decorative gravel along with our Rubik stone, and we softscaped this area out in the most magnificent way in order to provide this customer with the ability to take on this 10 by 10 area in the most effective way by being able to utilize a lot of what they had sitting up under here that can now go over here, whether it be your grill, whether it be your fire pit. It does say that now by having this 10 by 10 area, the customer is going to be able to be more versatile on their landscape, but it didn't just start overnight. No, we got here because we've been solving customers' landscape problems for a lifetime when it comes to our outdoor landscape designs. And we did so with this landscape as well by being able to provide them first with this custom dry creek bed design. So it does say that no matter what your outdoor living space may look like, whether you need to position yourself to deal with the water that's going to be coming from your neighbor's yard, as this customer had to, or you're looking for your outdoor entertainment, as we were able to do after we solved their drainage problem, it says that we're going to be able to help you with both of those, and that's exactly what we were able to do for this customer. It does say that if you're in the position and you're looking for a landscape transformation and you're in the Paulding County area or the surrounding areas, that's where we're at now, then it says that all you have to do is click the link below. You'll be able to get you a free quote, and more importantly, we'll be able to come out and help you better understand your landscape so that you can have an amazing outdoor landscape design that's going to fit your outdoor living needs as well, just like we've been able to do for this customer, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.